Hello friends, this is Avinash Kumar. Welcome you all once again. In this video, we will learn to create Java Hello World. So let's start with some basic information related to the same. This is the main method that we are going to create in live demo. So let's start to learn about it. Here, public is a access modifier that is used because that makes a method to be accessible from outside of the class. Static is used to create a class member. Those attributes of behavior are static, can be accessed without creating the object of the class. Means those can be accessed directly with the class name. The void is a return type that shows this method will not return anything. Since C and C++ is a compiler based programming language, so it requires return to know the execution has been completed successfully or not. However, Java is interpreted programming language. It executes a line of code after analyzing it, so it does not require any return type. Main is the name of method. It requires only in that class, which will be explicitly loaded using Java command. Here string is an argument, is used as command line argument. At the time of class load, we can pass the argument using that. Here string has been used only because we can convert any data from a string without any data loss. In the method definition, system is class in Java lang package. Out is a static object of print stream class. Since out is a static object, that is why it is directly accessible by the class name. So here we have not created object of system class. Now println is the overloaded method of print stream that is used to display the value onto the console. Now let's see live demo of Hello World program in Java. There is some prerequisite, that is we need Eclipse IDE and Java installed into the system. Now going to create a Java project. So here after new, I'll select the Java project. I'm going to take the name of project is Hello World. Now I'm going to create a class into a source. I'm going to name the class as test. Since I required public static void main into the class, so I'm going to check this checkbox. After finish, we have test named class with the method public static void main. We have some shortcuts in Eclipse IDE. After writing Sysout and after pressing Ctrl space, it will give us System.out.println. Since we need to print out Hello World, I'm going to write Hello World as a message. So before executing, I am going to demonstrate you that what is system, what is out, what is println. What I have said, I'm going to show something over here. So here system is a class into the Java lang package, as I told. Into that, when I press the Ctrl O, let's check the out. As I said, out is a static, means it's a class member. It's a reference variable of print stream and it's a static. That is why system directly access out with the System.out. If out will not be a static, then I need to create the object of system. Now I'm going to check the print stream. As I told earlier, in a print stream, println is overridden method. Sorry, it's an overloaded method. So here we have multiple println. Now I'm going to execute this. So here we have output that hello world. Suppose some of we don't have IDE, Eclipse IDE. So what we can do it? So we'll go to the project. Into SRC we have like Java class. So we can create this Java class in a notepad and you can save it like test.java as it is over here. Now I'm going to open a command prompt. So before executing it, I need to compile it first. Here I got some error, that is javac is not recognized as an internal or external command. It means that the Java path is not set over here. So I'm going to set the Java path. I kept my JDK into C Java JDK. I need to set path tilde bin. Now I'm going to execute same command with the javac tool. Now this time Java class is been compiled. Now here we can see that we have a new file, that test.class. We can execute it. So here we also get the same output, that is hello world. During the explanation I told you that System.out, which is a part of main method, as argument. So at the runtime we can pass the argument value. So how can we do that? So I'm going to edit it. Here we have argument. So what I'm going to do now, I just going to use the value of argument like this. So 0 means I'm going to take the value of first index only. So now I'm going to demonstrate you how we can pass command line argument. Since I have changed into the code, I need to compile it first. So compilation has been completed successfully. Now I'm going to run this, but I have to pass the command line argument. So I'm going to pass Avinash. So here we have output hello world Avinash. So by this way we can pass argument from command line. If you are using Eclipse IDE, then how you can pass the command line argument? So for that we have to go to the run argument. Into the argument, whatever I want to pass in the program argument, that will be taken as command line argument. So I have written over here India. So now I'm going to run it. So we will get a desired output, that is hello world India. So that is it for this video. Hope you liked it. In next video we will try to learn data type and typecasting. Till then, thanks. Kindly share this video with your friends, subscribe my channel and please hit like button. Thanks once again.